Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a game language in Honkai Star Rail. And to do this, you will need to click in the top left corner of your screen, then select this gear icon, go for the third option right here. If you don't understand the language of the game as it's set in a different one, then just follow the icons that I'm pressing. So this icon looks like this. Now there's two different options, text and a voice language, and in the text there's all of these languages available. And to select them, simply switch to for example, this one, and click on confirm. This should immediately change the language of your game, and let's change it back to English. There's also voice language that you can change, and this might require you to download additional files for the game. And to do this, simply select the language again and go for download. Click on confirm, and it will download all of the resources needed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.